Hi guys, welcome back to the course, and in this video we will actually store the user in the database, as we have already validated the form values. So now we are ready to store the user in the database. So for that we will create the else statement after all of these else if statements. So else. So inside this else we will create some variables. The first one is name, and we will retrieve name from the post request, and the key for name is name as well. You know what, I think we should use MySQLi real escape to escape this value, because we will be using these variables directly for inserting the into the database. So let's escape these values using the MySQLi real escape string. So MySQLi real escape string, and it takes two parameters. The first one is actually the database object, and the second one is actually the value which we want to escape. In this case it is name. So let's copy the whole line and paste it below, change the name to email, and same here as well. Variable name will be password, and the key is password as well. We will create another variable called token, and this will actually be a random value which we will use to activate the user's account using the email. So we will use binary to hex method to create the random token, and inside that we will use open SSL underscore random pseudo underscore bytes, and inside we will tell it how many bytes to produce. So this function will actually return as 32 bytes, and these 32 bytes will be converted into the hexadecimal equivalent and stored into the token. So now let's go ahead and construct our query, as we have all the values. So construct the query, and it will be like insert into users values. No, first of all we have to specify the name of the columns for which we want to insert the values. The first one is name, the second one is email, third one is password, and last one is token. And now we will specify the values. So the values will be, the first one will be the name, so the value of name will come from the name variable. Similarly for the email, and similarly for password and token as well. I think the query is all right. Now let's go ahead and execute this query on the database object. So as you know that we have already included this db.php file, and this file actually includes the database object. So we will use that object, and we will execute this query we just created. So we will execute this query on this database object, and let's save it, and let's go ahead and refresh it. As you can see, there is no error. So let's go ahead and provide the values, and 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 and register. Let's see if we have anything in the users table now. Yes, as you can see that we have a unique token. The status of the account is by default not activated. The password is 12345, and as we inserted. So I think that's it. So in the next video we will actually set up our local host to send the emails. So we will have to actually send the activation email to the user's email address, and user will use the email link to actually activate his account. So see you in the next video.